welcome to my channel. My name is Makayla. Today I will be sharing with you all my everyday makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And without further ado, I'm just gonna get into the video. So I'm putting on this red headband to move my hair out of the way so I can work faster. And then I'm gonna take this pore minimizing face primer by Kiss Cosmetics and apply it all over my skin. Then I'm gonna go in with the Pro Concealer by LA Girl in the color Fawn, and I'm applying that under my eyes, on my chin, on my cupid's bow, on the bridge of my nose, and my forehead, and blending it in. Now I'm taking my Tarte Full Coverage Amazonian Clay foundation in the shade Rich Honey and applying that to my face as well. Now I'm brushing out my eyebrows to begin my eyebrow process, and the pomade that I'm going to be using today is by NYX New York in the shade Black. For the longest I thought my brows were brown, and I just realized that I was looking like a fool, so I had to cop the black pomade, and to me I like it a lot better. It looks more natural. Even though it don't right now, but yeah. Now I'm using my spoolie to feather out the top part of my brow just to give it a more gradient effect. And then I'm taking another concealer in the color Coyote by HD Nikayak New York. And I'm applying that under my brow. I like to apply the lighter colors, especially when I'm using eyeshadow, just to make the colors pop. But now I'm blending in that concealer so it won't look so weird or whatever. Now I'm taking the flat brush again and dipping it back into my foundation, and I'm applying that to the top to give it a more natural look, and so it'll be easier to blend on my forehead. And yeah. So now I'm taking my pressed powder by LA Colors in the shade Ebony, and I'm applying that all over my face with a big fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm dipping it back into the same pressed powder, and I'm applying that to my eyelids. And I'm making that face because the brush had a little bit of pink on it, and I felt like it was rubbing off onto my skin. So if you see like dark circles around my eyes, that's what it is. Now I'm taking my liquid highlighter by Mega Glow. The company is actually Wet n Wild, and the shade of that is Go With The Glow. And it's 308A, and I'm just applying that to my nose, my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my chin, my brow bones, and the top of the bridge of my nose. And I dip it into some water so that way it'll be a lot easier for me to blend, and I won't have to drag it across my skin as much. Now I'm taking my eyeliner. I'm using this eyeliner at the beginning part of my eye because the tip is a little more precise and it helped me to achieve the eyeliner look that I was looking for. But later you'll see me go in with a more finer black liner. The tip of that one is actually a little bit more smoother and easier to apply. If you ever wonder where I get my products from, I get most of them from the beauty supply house because, of course, they're cheaper. And to me, like the coverage, it's manageable whenever you know how to do it properly. Not saying I'm a professional or nothing, but you get it. I actually got my foundation from Ulta Beauty, and I got the liquid highlighter from Amazon, and it was $2, but it's from a very popular brand, which is Wet n Wild. Normally, for a typical day at school, I would just stop here after applying mascara, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go in with some lashes that I got from Shein. These actually don't have a style, like the name of the style, but I'm gonna apply the glue right now and let them dry so that way it'll be easier for me to apply later. Now I'm using my mascara and I'm applying that to the top of my lashes. If this voiceover is loud, I am so sorry. I actually have my earbuds in so that way it won't catch any of the outside sounds. So if it's loud, yeah, I'm sorry. But right now, I just took off the foundation from my lips because I don't really like to wear color. So I took the foundation off and lined my lips with a black liner, and I'm gonna go in with my finger just to smudge it in so it won't look too dark and it'll look more natural. And then I'm gonna apply a clear lip gloss on top of it because, like I said, I don't really like to wear colors unless it's red or unless it's a color that I'm actually, feeling, or a color that I actually like. So now I'm taking a setting spray by NK Cosmetics. I think it's actually called NK Beauty. And I'm just applying that to my face. And then I went in with an Urban Decay setting spray as well. So I said before that I was going to go ahead and apply the glue to my lashes so that way they'll dry. But they actually wasn't completely dry, so that's why I'm struggling with this one. But I found a way to get it on there right, so I just pressed it down, so the glue could dry a little faster. And I just did the same thing with the other one, just so I could make sure they were secure on my eyes. Now I'm removing my headband and I'm gonna style my edges so my whole look could be complete. And that's it. So this is the finished look. Of course I'm proud of it, but normally I don't put on lashes. I just like to use mascara, but I mean, why not? But yes, this is the everyday makeup look. Of course, I like it. A lot of people always ask me how do I do my eyebrows, so I will make a separate video going more into detail of how I do my eyebrows, because in this video it was just kind of like doing it. It wasn't actually like explaining it. It's really not much to it, but for those who want a more in-depth tutorial, I mean, I guess you can contact me so I can, you know to drop a video. But this is the finished look. I'm also gonna do an eyeliner tutorial because a lot of people ask me how do I do that as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, thank you. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye. That's a fly. Ain't nobody realer than you. That's a fly.